உள்ளாட்சி அமைப்புல
Good afternoon and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. My name is Amita Vadva. First up, beginning with a breaking update that we are getting from Tamil Nadu, where an all-party meeting that was convened in the state over the Mekedatu Dam, where the committee has now reached at 3 major resolutions that have now been taken up in this all-party meeting. The parties that have now unanimously demanded that permission not be given for the construction of the dam and has urged the centre for the same. A direct intervention that has been sought from the state government side. Apurva is joining us with more details in just a bit to give us more details of this resolution. 3 major of them that has been passed unanimously in consultation meeting with other legislative party leaders as well, where the union government, they have now sought in one of those resolutions should not give permission for the construction of the Mekedatu Dam. Let me straight away go across to Apurva now, because MK Stalin convened this all-party meeting there, and a united front, Apurva, that has been pitched before the union central government, that is to reflect the unanimous views of all sections of Tamil Nadu, especially the interest of the farmers there.
Well, that's right. This definitely was an important meeting that had taken place here at the Secretariat that was chaired by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister MK Stalin. In this resolution, almost 3 resolutions, major resolutions have been passed on the Mekedatu Dam project as well. And what is one thing that we need to look into, the important resolution that has been passed, is that the Chief Minister has urged that the union government must not give permission for the building of Mekedatu Dam. Remember, there had already been a lot of talks that had been ongoing between the Karnataka government as well as Tamil Nadu government regarding the Mekedatu Dam project. And now with this resolution passed, the all-party meeting also passed yet another resolution stating that whatever had happened in the discussions that were convened here today, these minutes will also be recorded and handed over in person at Delhi by the officials here. That is also one of the resolutions that has been passed here. Remember, all parties here in Tamil Nadu unanimously have taken a stand against the building of Mekedatu Dam project. In fact, it is also a known fact that AIADMK, DMK and Congress and all other parties were from day one against this dam project, and now with the resolution passed unanimously, not only does this put down a united front for the Tamil Nadu government, but it also sends across a very strong message to Karnataka government as well, stating that there will not be any permission that the union government must approve for the Karnataka government for the construction of the Mekedatu Dam.
Absolutely. So the government, the state government of Tamil Nadu, which said that it is taking all legal steps on the issue, and even when MK Stalin wrote to his counterpart from Karnataka, V.S. Yediyurappa, categorically stating that the proposed dam went against the Supreme Court verdict and will also affect the interest of Tamil Nadu farmers. Thereafter, these 3 resolutions in today's meetings that has been taken up. Apurva, thanks very much for joining us live. Let's move on.